बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। Welcome back to my channel. This is DIY craft videos. Signing in. And I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning, creative and super classy seashell craft ideas. These are very incredible, elegant and very wonderful seashell centerpieces decoration ideas for your home decor. And I hope so you like these seashell craft ideas. If you want different other kind of craft videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. Hope so you enjoyed this video. You can make these seashell craft ideas at home very easily. And if you want different other craft videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are very beautiful and very amazing and very unique seashell craft ideas for you guys. These are super stunning, beautiful and very elegant craft ideas for you guys. If you don't know about how to stitch these type of craft work, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. This is a very pretty collection for you guys, and I enjoyed this type of craft work. That's why I share with you all through my videos. And you guys must tell me about how much you like this video. And if you want different other craft work, then you leave the comment in the comment section. These are very simple and very decent craft work for you guys. And if you don't know about how to make this type of craft work, then you must watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of craft work. So guys, always keep supporting my channel, always keep watching my videos, These are amazing and very unique craft work for you guys. These are very amazing ideas for you guys, and I'm very thankful to you all for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. And you must watch different other kind of videos on my channel about different craft work like seashell craft, pebble craft, wall hanging craft, and so on. Always think positive, guys. Always be happy. These are very incredible and very amazing seashell craft ideas for you guys. Hope so you enjoyed these type of seashell craft work, because these are very unique and very amazing ideas for you guys. Always remember me in your prayers. Enjoy your life, because this is your life, not others. And these are super amazing and super unique artwork for you guys. So guys, thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Always take care, always be happy. These are very stunning ideas for you guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.